Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Trickfox. Now I'm gonna guide you how you can create a folder in your Google Drive. That's pretty simple. But before doing that, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit that like button. First of all, I'm gonna guide you in your PC with a website, and then I'll guide you with the phone with the Drive app. You need to open the browser of your PC. If you open the browser, then you need to type on the address bar drive.google.com. After typing it, an interface will come. If you already logged in to your Google account, then the interface will come. Then you need to click on New button. Make sure that you have selected this option, My Drive. So after reaching here, you need to click on New button. Then you will see another option called New folder. After clicking here, you will see a pop-up. You need to type here the name of the folder. Suppose I am typing the name here, Shohag. If I click on Create button, then the folder named Shohag is created. I already created a folder before it is created. So two folders are showing here. So that's all how you can create a folder in your Google Drive. Now I'm gonna guide you how you can do it with your Android phone. Make sure that you already downloaded the Google Drive app. So this is the home screen of my phone. First of all, you need to open the Drive app. Here I am opening the app. So this is the app interface. So if I click on this new button, then a pop-up will come and we can do it right the same way we did it before on the PC. So if we click on the folder icon, then another pop-up will come to set the name of the folder. Here I am setting it 10. And if I click on create button, then you can see that a folder named 10 is created. So that's all about today's video, and I think this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.